Hey cake friends, welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. As you can see, I'm drinking some butterbeer. Yeah, it's delicious. And we're doing all things Harry Potter here at Shalise Bakes Cakes today, and I'm so here for it. Don't get distracted by all the fun stuff behind me because I know it's fun to look at. You could say I'm a bit of a Harry Potter, we'll just call me a fan. Just a little bit. All right, today, let's get back to the butterbeer because that is the most important thing that's happening here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. We are making these seriously not only cute, but the most delicious little butterbeer cupcakes. That's right, I'm sharing with you my butterbeer buttercream, and it is amazing, delicious, to die for. You're gonna love it. And I don't share Harry Potter secrets lightly, so I hope you guys stick around today because this is happening and I am so here for it. All right, guys, let's get started. To start out with our buttercream, we need 4 sticks of butter. Yes, we need 4 sticks of butter. It's buttercream and we just need it, guys. So we're gonna throw 4 sticks of butter into our mixer. Make sure that your butter is not frozen and it's not super chilled, but it's not melty. I know, it's super confusing. The easiest way to tell is you put your index finger right, push it into the butter, and if it makes a little bit of an indent, that means it is perfect. All right, we're gonna throw that in and we're gonna mix up that butter. Just mix it up, guys. Beat the crap out of the butter. Just keep on beating it. Telly is light and fluffy. Look at that light and fluffy, lovely butter. I love it. All right, the key to this yummy butterbeer buttercream is we have to add some butterscotch ganache right into our buttercream. That's right, we're adding butterscotch ganache in. So let's make it. All we do is we need 1/2 cup of butterscotch chocolate chips. We're gonna dump that right in our little glass bowl, and then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Throw that in the microwave for 1 minute. When it's done, we get our little whisk and we're just gonna whisk it up. And look at that yummy, silky butterscotch ganache. Now it's ready to go in the buttercream. After the butter is light and fluffy, we are going to put our butterscotch ganache into our butter. So just dump that right in there. Then we're gonna put a pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup heavy cream, and we're gonna put, this is kind of how it's gonna make it butterbeer tasting because we have the butterscotch because of the butterscotch ganache, but we are gonna put some of this bakery emulsion and we're using the butter. So we're gonna make it, give it that extra butter flavor. So we're gonna put about 2.5 tablespoons of this butter flavored bakery emulsion right in there. All right, now that we got all the fun, yummy stuff in there, we are going to mix it up again. After our buttercream is mixed and, ooh, it's looking good, guys. Now we need the last part, but the most important part of buttercream is our powdered sugar. Make sure your powdered sugar is sifted before you put it into your buttercream because sifted powdered sugar just makes it that much more smooth, so much better, guys. Now we're gonna add about 6 cups of powdered sugar. Add it slowly or else you're gonna have an explosion of sugar, which I've never done, ever. All right, let's mix that up. Just beat it, guys. Beat it for about 2-3 minutes till it gets light and fluffy. All right, guys, look at that light and fluffy, silky butterbeer buttercream. Holy moly, let's give it a try. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm gonna share a little tip with you guys today. When you guys are making mini cupcakes, put the cake batter in a piping bag or even a Ziploc bag, cut a little bit off the end, and fill up those tiny little cupcake liners. You guys, it mind-blowing, takes so much less time instead of putting it in with a little spoon, and holy crap, my mind was blown when I did that today, and I hope yours is too now. So fill those mini cupcakes, put your cake batter in a piping bag. It will save you millions and millions of time and just Alright guys, thanks so much for watching here at Chili's Bakes Cakes as we made these. Seriously? You're gonna die because they're so good. Butterbeer Harry Potter cupcakes. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have a magical day.